How to register a domain name with domains.co.za. Let's start by navigating to www.domains.co.za. Type your domain name into the domain name finder. We'll let you know if your domain name is available. Add your domain to the cart. We'll display a list of top-level domain options you can choose from as well. Click on Configure. Add WHOIS privacy to keep your personal information private on public domain WHOIS servers. Click the Proceed to Cart button. Once you've reviewed your order, click the Checkout button. You'll need to log in or create a new account to complete payment. Fill in your contact details if you've just created a new account. Choose contact details for the registered domain. Preferred payment method. Agree to the T's and C's and click Complete Order. You'll be directed to a secure payment gateway, and once payment is processed, you can review your order and invoice under your profile on domains.co.za. It's that easy.